In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can change your MacBook wallpaper just in few minutes. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial. Let's get started. So what you need to do, just go to your MacBook home page like this. Also what you will do, so click with two fingers in your touch pad, okay, like this. So just click with two fingers in your touch pad like this, and you will see over here change desktop background. Click on this and it's gonna take you to this page like this over here, okay. So we have dynamic desktop. As you can see, you can choose just click on the picture that you want and it will be changed, okay, as you can see. And if you scroll down, you have light and dark desktop, okay. You have those options over here, those pictures. As you can see, if you scroll down, you have desktop pictures like this. Just click on the picture that you want to use and your picture wallpaper picture will be changed, okay. As you can see, so they have a lot of different wallpapers pictures here, as you can see, okay. And if you want to make pictures will be changed automatically, click over here on change picture, select this option, okay. So let me show you. Just select this option here, change picture every 5 minutes, okay. You can also click over here and you can control the time. Every 5 seconds your wallpaper picture will be changed automatically, okay. Every minute, every 5 minutes, every and so on, okay. So I'm gonna just leave it just like this and I will click here, and here you go, your MacBook wallpaper will be changed, okay. If you want to add your own pictures to change it to your own picture, click over here on go, okay, and click on downloads, okay, and you will be directly in this folder over here, and you can use your picture that you want to. So for me, I'm going to use this picture as a wallpaper background. So what you will do, so in your touchpad, click with two fingers, okay, like this, and you will go and click over here on set desktop picture, and here you go, okay, your picture will be changed. So that's how you can change wallpaper picture on MacBook. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.